Winter is coming, the days grow shorter, a chill fills the air. While we may retreat indoors for warmth, what happens to the plants? Across fields and forests, a silent strength emerges. Plants, the anchors of our ecosystems, are not passive bystanders to winter's fury. They are nature's winter warriors, armed with incredible adaptations to survive the cold. Let us explore the fascinating science behind their resilience, focusing on three key strategies: freezing point depression, antifreeze proteins, and dormancy. The plant kingdom has evolved over millions of years, adapting to diverse and often harsh environments. From the frozen Arctic tundra to temperate, deciduous forests, plants have found ways to thrive even in the face of freezing temperatures. Their survival depends on a deep understanding of their environment and the ability to adapt at a cellular level. This resilience is not only crucial for the plants themselves, but for the countless life forms that depend on them. Animals rely on plants for food and shelter, while humans benefit from their oxygen production, medicinal properties, and aesthetic beauty. Understanding how plants survive winter provides a glimpse into the intricate workings of nature and highlights the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Imagine ice crystals forming inside a delicate plant cell, puncturing cell walls and disrupting vital functions. To avoid this icy demise, plants have developed a clever strategy: freezing point depression. This process involves lowering the freezing point of the water inside their cells, preventing ice formation even when temperatures plummet. One way they achieve this is by moving water outside their cells, into the spaces between cells. This extracellular freezing is less damaging and allows the plant to control ice formation more effectively. But that's not all. Plants also increase the concentration of solutes, substances like sugars and salts, in their sap. Think of it like adding salt to water to make it freeze at a lower temperature. This natural antifreeze helps prevent the formation of damaging ice crystals within the plant's cells. While freezing point depression provides a first line of defense, some plants take winter protection a step further. They produce specialized proteins, aptly named antifreeze proteins, which act like guardians against the cold. These proteins have a unique ability to bind to small ice crystals that may form within the plant's cells. By latching onto these crystals, they prevent them from growing larger and wreaking havoc on the delicate cellular machinery. This remarkable adaptation ensures the plant's survival even in the face of extreme cold. One well-known example of these antifreeze proteins is the CBF protein, found in a variety of plants. When temperatures drop, these plants activate the production of CBF proteins, boosting their cold tolerance and protecting them from frost damage. The discovery of antifreeze proteins has revolutionized our understanding of plant resilience and has even inspired new technologies for food preservation and organ transplantation in the medical field. As winter tightens its grip, some plants adopt a different strategy: dormancy. This is not a passive surrender, but rather a strategic retreat, a period of reduced metabolic activity that allows them to conserve energy and weather the storm. Triggered by shorter days and colder temperatures, dormancy is a gradual process. Plants begin by slowing down photosynthesis, the process of converting sunlight into energy. They also reduce their water intake and shed leaves, minimizing water loss and the risk of freezing. During dormancy, plants rely on stored energy reserves, like squirrels stashing away nuts for winter. They may enter a deep sleep with metabolic activity reduced to a bare minimum. This allows them to survive even the harshest winters, patiently awaiting the return of spring. Dormancy is a remarkable example of nature's ability to adapt and endure. It allows plants to synchronize their life cycles with the changing seasons, ensuring their survival and the continuation of plant life year after year.